Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again at the gold market. So on the daily chart, mostly situation stands the same. This is in euro currency. Actually, we're still watching for a bit deeper retracement. As in euro, it's 108.50. As on the gold market, it's 1955 level. But on the both assets that we usually cover in our daily updates, we have a bit tricky performance on the intraday charts. So as we talked about this, it's warned. And actually, there was some concern that market could start immediate downward direction without any attempt to go higher. And indeed, that has happened. But this action, as you can see, was interrupted somewhere around 1970 area, and market returns right back up. So if we'll try to find the reason for that, we probably could do this. So if you consider some minor levels that we have, as you can see, around 77, 1980, we have a confluence. And it's based on the hidden Napoli level. It's based on the gap that is not closed actually by the market, which gives us the 30% support area. And so also we have this 618 level. So that was the confluence, and market has just dropped to this level, was stopped and returned back up. So in general, we're not denying the idea of deeper retracement to the 1955 area on the daily chart. So this scenario is still valid. But here's performance might be a bit different. So market could just increase some swing ranges that we have currently and reestablish downward action from a bit higher standing level. At least in today's discussion of the euro currency, we've got some multiple grabbers, bullish grabbers on the intraday chart, which makes us wait for a while with the take in the short position, or at least using the scale-in trading, split the position and entering with the step by step in the short position. So here's might be the same story. So although we have the pullback here up from the confluence, but in general, if you'll take a look at the performance on the hourly chart, you could see that the downside swings are sharper, faster, and market actually keep forming lower lows and lower highs. So it's just some barriers exist there, and here as market has a problems with the breakouts, but with this tendency to the downside, as market is showing increasing length of the downside swings, this is a bearish sign. So we suggest that this level, at least as it looks like now, that hardly it will be decisive, and this will stop downward direction and push it. Just erase this pattern and cancel the daily scenario with a bit deeper retracement. So more probable that we have here some temporal support. This market could show maybe some bit more extended action. I'm not sure, guys, that we will get a really harmonic shoulder here. So it's more probable this will be some kind of the consolidation in market attempt to break it later. But at the same time, in the current moment, maybe it makes sense to wait a bit and see what will happen, at least when we have the solution on the euro currency, since here some relation exists between the euro and the gold, because they're all then trading against the dollar, and to see whether this market will be able to follow the euro example and could show a bit deeper upward pullback here. If it will happen, well, that's when maybe additional chance to get the short position at the better price. So what we have currently on the gold, besides currently, you can see here's, by the way, we have the divergence, suggest taking out of the stop actually, and market just started the reaction on the confluence. So from that standpoint, I wouldn't hurry up with the immediate taking the short position once again, and just see what will happen. If you have taken position yesterday before this drop, as we have discussed here, so maybe you could try to hold it with the same stop and see what will happen. So in the current situation. So that's our view currently on the gold.